Hello guys, and welcome to Al Makra Repair Center. We got for you guys Rolls-royce Cullinan. We had some job to do on that car. Somebody keyed it for the guy badly, very deep. Once you put your nail, it's stuck into the paint, so that means quite deep. We cannot flat and polish, unfortunately, so we must paint the door. That can make you cry, guys. Got quarter panel as well, as you can see here. That's another panel, and then we got the front door. So we have 3 panels to do on that car. Of course, door card has to come off, and the handles from outside has to come off, and the mirror, all the trims. We must strip it completely to get it done right. That car is 2022, still a brand new, 500 miles on the clock. And look what's happened to that car. Definitely, guys, we show you how we gonna get it repaired and prep and painted. So it's quite deep. So we're using 500 units. Quite deep. Still can see it. Obviously we can't go this way. If we go this way, we make like a groove, and then when you put the primer, won't cover the dip. So we must go flat as much as we can. Okay, here you go. What we have done here. So basically we had the scratch, and then we have to go layers. Otherwise it will be, as I explained, it will be like a channel. So when you primer it and paint it, you will see like a dent, like a channel in the middle. So you have to go layer by layer, so it will be like still flat. So when you run your hand, you won't feel it at all. And now if we leave the scratch and then we just primer on the top of it, once we paint the car, it's gonna sunk, so you will see the scratch again. So you have to get rid of the scratch completely. And now of course we have to mask it up and primer it. We have to do 2 or 3 proper coats of primer to cover all that area, and then we have to block it, and that's how we should repair the scratch. Lots of people they think, oh, it's easy, flat and polish, and that Rolls-Royce has so many layers. So as much as you cut and then polish it, that gonna show the scratch won't go. So this is the result, and this is the best way to do the scratch on the cars, to be honest. So the car has been masked now. So now it's time to apply the primer. This is the first coat, and we leave it to get dry a bit, and then we apply another coat. Here you go. This is the primer has finished now. As you can see, covered the whole area, and then we have to go a little bit wider to make sure everything is being covered properly. And here is the other side as well. It's small tiny scratch, but unfortunately it gives a lot of trouble and lots of procedures to to get rid of it properly. Of course. There you go, has been stripped now completely. The door, the mirrors, the top trim, everything. So now we're gonna start blocking it down to get it ready for paint. ايوه Here you go, the job has been completed. Everything is gone back together on the door, handle, mirror, barrel. Very clean job, color matching absolutely amazing. Got PPG water base. So this is the driver side. Here the passenger side as well. Was a big scratch on the passenger side, as you've seen on the beginning of the video. And the good thing as well, you can't see any ripples. So when we put the primer, we rub it, we flat it properly, we rub it down properly. So, and then of course we have to put panel wipe to see if there is any ripples, in case we didn't block it properly. We're very happy and pleased with the result. And then the lacquer finishing as well is exactly the same. The rest of the car very fine, because there is no orange pilly on the Rolls-Royce. It's not like a BMW or VW. Yeah, so this is the result. Guys, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, as usual, just you can comment and ask me, and I will definitely get back to you. See you next video, guys.